Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up discounts on your Airbnb listing. So there's a few types of discounts you can set up, so I'll show you and how you can do that. First, go to calendar right here, and then if you have multiple listings, select the listing you want to set up the discount for. Then in the pricing section here, you will see discounts. So the first type of discounts that you can set is in weekly or monthly discount. So if someone books, for example, for 7 nights or more, they will receive a 10% discount. And if it's for 28 nights or more, they will receive a 25% discount. Now this will help you get more long-term rentals, which will increase your occupancy rate. Now if you click more discounts here, there are a few more types of discounts that you can also set up. So we have early bird discounts and last minute discounts. And from the name, you can kind of tell what it is. So the early bird discounts is just to attract early bookings, and last minute is to fill your calendar by offering discounts when guest books close to their arrival date, which can also help you increase your occupancy rate. Now, one more thing you can do is set a promotion. Now, this is more of a one-term thing. So you can click new listing promotions, and they can, for example, set 20% off for the next 3 bookings, and then you can click apply promotion. And then the following 3 people who book will get 20% off. Now if you click edit, they can also remove the promotion if you want. So that's how to set up discounts on your Airbnb listing. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. We'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.